morning, my student. After a great vacation, want to teach you the sentence. In the first chapter, of your topic is the sentence. First of all, I want to tell you what is sentence is. A sentence is a group of words. Sentence is a group of words that has its own meaning. Example: the Indian team won the tournament. Sentence. What is sentence? A sentence is a group of words that have its own meaning. Example: the Indian team won the tournament. Now I am going to express you. It is made up of two parts. Made up of two parts. First, subject. Second, predicate. Of subject. What is subject? What is subject? A subject is a part of sentence that tell us that part of sentence that tells us who and what. Who and what sentence is about. Subject. Subject is a part of sentence. Subject is a part of sentence that tells us who and what sentence is about. यहाँ पर सब्जेक्ट सेंटेंस का वह पार्ट को कहते हैं जो सेंटेंस में कौन क्या चीज है, किसके उसके बारे में क्या कहा जाता है. सेकंड, predicate. predicate. It is a part of a sentence that tells us something about the subject. Predicate is a part of sentence that tells us about the something that is done by the subject. Okay. The Indian team won the match. In this sentence, the Indian team won the match. The Indian team is a subject. Won the match is predicate. To identify the subject, we ask the questions from the verb. In a sentence, we ask question from the verbs what, who, what's using. In these sentences, we ask who won the match. To find the subject, we ask questions from the verb. Using who and what. Who and what. In this sentence, we ask from the verb won. Won is a verb. Who won the match? The answer is the Indian team. That is why Indian team is subject. And after the subject, all the words which are used in a sentence is called the predicate. After the words, after the subject, the rest part of the sentence is called the predicate. In this sentence, the Indian team is subject and won the match is predicate. Subject is symbolized by S and predicate is symbolized by P. verb. Verb is essential part of the sentence. As you know, in the previous classes, verb. What is verb? In the verb, mostly students said the doing word is called verb, but it is not sufficient. The definition of the verb includes three main points. First of all, it is action, it is condition, and it is possession. To find the verb in the sentence, we see the form of verb, condition of the sentence, possession of the sentence. That for example, Ram is a tall boy. Second, Sita has many books. And third, John eats rice. In the three example, अब मैं तुमको बताता हूं कि ये मैं तीन तरह के एग्जाम्पल मैंने आपके सामने पेश किया. Ram is a tall boy. In this sentence, each word is verb. It tells us about the subject Ram. Feature of the Ram, tall boy. What is the condition of the Ram? Ram is a tall boy. राम क्या है, राम के बारे में यह विशेषता बताता है. तो वहां पर इज जो है वह कंडीशन में आता है, उसके बारे में यह विशेषता बताता है. राम इज ए टॉल बॉय. सेकेंड, सीता हैज मेनी बुक्स. हैज, इट शो द पोजीशन. पोजेशन मीन्स अधिकार, वो उसके कब्जा में है. यह बताता है कि सी हैज मेनी बुक्स, उसके पास अनेक किताबें हैं. It's so possession. And third, John eats rice. John eats rice. Eats is a word, verb. It is action verb. It is called action because in this sentence, John is acting. What type of work is done? Eating. It means खाना. John चावल खाता है. यहाँ पर खाने की एक क्रिया हो रही है और वह क्रिया जो हो रही है किसी सब्जेक्ट के द्वारा हो रही है. इसको एक्शन वर्ब में कहते हैं. सीता है मेनी, सीता के पास अनेक किताबें हैं. यह यहाँ पर जो है हैज एंड हैव, यह पोजीशन बताता है. और राम इज ए टॉल बॉय, इज जो यहाँ पर है, यहाँ पर यह कंडीशन बताता है. इन these three sentences, these verbs is also called the main verb. It is also called main verb. Main verb. It is also main verb. Have is also main verb, and it is also main verb. I hope that you understood to find the verb in the sentence. To find the subject in different kinds of sentences. In interrogative, sentence. Where are you going? It is interrogative sentence. How can you find the subject? First of all, the pattern of the sentence is checked. You are where going. You are wearing. This is the subject and this is the predicate. In exclamatory sentence, how beautiful, how beautiful she is. How beautiful she is. You change the pattern of the sentence. She is how beautiful. She is how beautiful. She is the subject. And how beautiful is the predicate. She is the subject. She is jealous about the sentence is. Now we see the two sentences. In the first sentence, subject is in one verse, but In the second sentence, the subject is in the many words. So subject can be used in one word and in many words. The Indian team in many words, three words. The Indian team, three words. But baby is one word. Predicate is in one words. But in the second sentence, predicate is also in the many words. So subject and predicate is used in a sentence is also in one word and in many words. You do not hesitate to find out the subject. You do not hesitate. तुम किसी भी तरह से सकुचाहट में मत डालना कि इसमें सब्जेक्ट कौन है. Most of the students hesitate and fixed in a dilemma that how can I choose the subject? They choose the but not the is not subject. Only for India is not subject. Team is not subject. To identify most of the subject comes before the verb. You find the verb and before these words is called subject. अब यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं कि सब्जेक्ट को पहचानने में कोई परेशानी नहीं होती. वर्ब को पहले पहचान लीजिए. अगर वर्ब पहचान में आ जाती है तो वर्ब के पहले वाला जितना जो वर्ड्स है वो सब्जेक्ट में होता है. अभी आपको हम इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस, एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस के बारे में भी आपको इस्तेमाल करके बता दिया कि इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट को पकड़ने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको पैटर्न को चेंज करना पड़ेगा. आफ्टर चेंजिंग द पैटर्न यू मस्ट फाइंड आउट द सब्जेक्ट. लेकिन इस सिंपल से डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस में आपको सब्जेक्ट को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू फाइंड द वर्ब बिफोर द वर्ड्स यूज बिफोर द वर्ड्स यूज वर्ब इज कॉल्ड द सब्जेक्ट. आपको वर्ब के पहले जो भी रहेंगे वो सब्जेक्ट रहेंगे. सब्जेक्ट ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स में भी हो सकते हैं, एक वर्ड्स में भी हो सकते हैं. उसी तरह से प्रेडिकेट भी एक वर्ड्स में हो सकता है और दूसरी बात कि अनेक वर्ड्स में भी हो सकता है. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द सेंटेंसेस. होमवर्क. माही identify the subject and predicate in these sentences. First, Mahi batting is flawless. Flawless in the final match. Second, most part of the Africa is covered by jungle. Three, India is a densely populated country. Fourth, the Nobel Anand Math is written by Bankim Chatterjee. Fifth, we celebrated our more national park, more national parks are essential for saving the wildlife.